Find the perimeter of a square if its diagonal is 10 root 2 centimeter. आपको उस स्क्वायर का पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना है जिसका एक डायगोनल 10 रूट 2 गिवन है. Let quadrilateral ABCD is a square, and when it is a square, that means its all sides are of equal length and each angle is a right angle. So AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. Let us suppose one side equals to x centimeter. If the measurement of one side is x, that means measurement of other three sides is also x. So you can say in right triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Now hypotenuse is given as 10 root 2. So write down 10 root 2 whole square. This is the hypotenuse square equals to base square. Base is x. So x square plus perpendicular square. Perpendicular is also x. It means again x square. Now solve this. 10 square is 100 and root 2 square is 2. किसी भी रूट टर्म को जब आप उसी रूट टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आंसर आती है वही टर्म बट without under root. So root 2 multiply root 2 is 2. Now this is equals to x square plus x square. This is equals to 2x square. Now this 2 is cancelled by 2. So remaining we have x square equals to 100. Write down here x square equals to 100. It means we have x equals to square root of 100. यहाँ पे स्क्वायर है बेटा, नेक्स्ट साइड आएगा सो इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू स्क्वायर रूट और यू कैन अप्लाई दी स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड्स. So square root of 100 is plus minus 10 and because it is the side of the square so it can't be negative. That means x equals to 10 centimeter. वैल्यू आ गई बेटा आपके पास साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर की 10. फाइंड क्या करना है आपको? पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर एंड वी नो दैट पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज 4 multiply side. So this is equals to 4 multiply side is 10 centimeter. So it will be 4 multiply 10 centimeter. That means 40 centimeters.